The value of focus, cultivating concentration for success. In a world characterized by constant distractions and competing demands for our attention, the ability to maintain focus has become an invaluable skill. Whether pursuing academic excellence, professional goals, or personal growth, focus serves as the cornerstone of productivity and success. In this video clip, we explore the significance of focus and offers practical strategies for cultivating and sustaining concentration over extended periods. Focus is more than just the ability to concentrate on a task. It is a mental state characterized by clarity, purpose, and undivided attention. When we are focused, we channel our cognitive resources towards a specific goal or objective, minimizing distractions and maximizing our efficiency. In doing so, we enhance our capacity to absorb information, solve problems, and execute tasks with precision. Consequently, individuals who possess strong focus are better equipped to navigate challenges, achieve their objectives, and realize their full potential. The value of focus extends beyond individual accomplishments. It also fosters deeper connections and richer experiences in our personal and professional lives. When we are fully present and engaged in our interactions, we cultivate meaningful relationships, foster trust, and inspire others through our undivided attention. Moreover, by immersing ourselves fully in the present moment, we derive greater satisfaction from our experiences, savoring life's simple pleasures and finding fulfillment in the journey towards our goals. Despite its importance, maintaining focus is a skill that requires deliberate practice and conscious effort. In a world inundated with distractions, staying focused for extended periods can be challenging. However, with the right strategies and mindset, it is entirely achievable. One effective strategy for enhancing focus is to establish a conducive environment free from distractions. This may involve creating a designated workspace, minimizing noise and visual clutter, and utilizing tools such as noise-canceling headphones or productivity apps to maintain concentration. Additionally, setting clear goals and breaking tasks down into manageable segments can help maintain momentum and prevent overwhelm, allowing for sustained focus over time. Furthermore, cultivating mindfulness through practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or mindfulness-based stress reduction techniques can enhance our ability to stay focused and present. By training our minds to observe thoughts and sensations without judgment, we develop greater self-awareness and emotional resilience, enabling us to navigate distractions more effectively and return to a state of focus when our attention wanders. In conclusion, focus is a fundamental skill that underpins success and fulfillment in all aspects of life. By cultivating concentration and staying present in the moment, we can harness our cognitive resources, achieve our goals, and cultivate deeper connections with ourselves and others. Through practice, perseverance, and a commitment to prioritizing what truly matters, we can unlock our full potential and live more purposeful, productive lives.